Before we move into the types of non-probability sampling, just get a little bit of understanding. What is non-probability sampling? A non-probability sampling is a sampling method that uses non-random criteria like the availability, geographical proximity, or expert knowledge of the individuals you want to research in order to answer a research question. Non-probability sampling is used when the population parameters are either unknown or not possible to individually identify. For example, visitors to a website that does not require users to create an account could form part of non-probability sampling. Note that this type of sampling is at higher risk of research biases than what we did earlier was probability sampling. So probability sampling is very authentic and will give you a good result. Definitely non-probability sampling will also provide you a certain outcome, but that could be a research bias. In non-probability sampling, each unit in your target population does not have an equal chance of being included. If you guys remember, in probability sampling, we were giving equal chance to all the members to being selected. And we have also understood that with a proper case study. Here, you can form your sample using other considerations, such as convenience or a particular characteristics. Wherein, in probability sampling, each unit in your target population must have an equal chance of selection. Non-probability sampling is defined as a sampling technique in which the researcher selects samples based on the subjective judgment of the researcher rather than random selection. It is less stringent method. This sampling method depends heavily on the expertise of the researcher. It is carried out by observation and researchers use it widely for qualitative research. Non-probability sampling is a method in which not all population members have an equal chance of participating in the study, unlike probability sampling. Each member of the population has a known chance of being selected. Non-probability sampling is most useful for exploratory studies like a pilot survey. That means deploying a survey to a smaller group compared to predetermined sample size. So here, researchers use this method in studies where it is possible to draw random probability sampling due to time or cost consideration. Let's deeply look into the first type of non-probability sampling, that is convenience sampling.